everyone, it's Angela from Cloudfetti, and today I'm sharing how to make a pet rock out of polymer clay. So to start out, I have a small ball of grey granite clay, and I'm gently pressing the top of it with my finger to make a dome shape. At this point, you can make any random shape, but I'm pressing the sides towards the top of the rock's head, just so it creates an angled point. And pressing the front and back of the rock to make the overall shape more even. So it looks like this. So now it's time to add the face. So I'm using a dotting tool to poke holes for the eyes to go. And adding in little balls of black. And a tiny little smile. Then for the cheeks, I'm brushing on some pink chalk pastel. Next, to make some moss, I have a small ball of light green clay and I'm flattening it with my finger. And then using a needle tool to scratch the edges, just so it makes little crumbly bits. And attaching that to the top of the rock so it looks like hair. And then baking everything fully using my package's instructions. And these are really fun to make. You can create all different shapes and sizes to make all sorts of pet rocks. And that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!